Hello boys and girls. Now I thought I would do a quick little video for you to save you from having to read it all. Okay, so we're just back in from having break, and I know that you are super excited to grade 1s to grade 5s be out for your 15 minutes lunchtime that you get to have. Now many of you noticed we had KHDA visiting us during our break to come and give us some advice on how we are doing things, keeping in mind our social distancing. So their rules are as follows. I know many of you, especially the boys, are wanting to play football. So the gentleman had a look around and he said the only way that we can play football is if we are passing the ball, no tackling, no actual football game can be played. You can practice techniques, you can bring in your own ball, but you may not catch or hold another child's football ball. So you can pass with your feet to each other, you can play to see keepy-uppy, how long you can keep the ball balanced on your knees, etc. And that's what you'll be allowed to do. We asked about cricket as well. They said again, you can bring in your own tennis ball, but you have to catch your own ball. You can't be bowling to someone else and having that ball in their hands. Now I know this is tricky for us. I'm just looking at how can we look at the bright side of things. A, things are getting better. B, you are at school and you get to see your friends and you can get to chat to them. C, you can use the track to run around, and to the girls who are busy running around, great job, but do remember we need to keep that distance when we are running. When you stand in your lanes, which was lovely, rather stand in every second lane, don't stand in each lane to do your little bit of running. If you want to play games, we've got some duck goose chase we've got that's taking place. We have some chasing games where you're doing virtual chase and you step on the shadow. You're most welcome to bring in some skipping ropes and try some skipping techniques and have a virtual chase with the skipping rope that you can do, with some tricks that you could be doing with the skipping rope. You can bring in some smaller balls that you could be practicing some techniques with yourself. But that's where the rules are for us at the moment. He did say he will keep us posted if anything is changing. And I think that's a good thing, that they know that the boys and girls, you want to be outside. And I think that's our first thing. Let's enjoy the short time that we can be outside. And if anything, let's just be thankful for our health and be thankful that we can be at school. So boys and girls, thank you very much. I hope that I will get to see this in action, keeping our 1.5 to 2 meter distances, and hopefully it will be going better from there on. Thank you once again, and thank you to our staff who are on duty during their break times. So parents, again, our staff are doing a super job just as you are at home and our kids are at school. So staff, thank you very much for giving up your breaks. I know we have teachers on duty, but that everyone is down and about, maybe quickly grabbing their sandwich, having their moment while still being on duty during lunchtime. Thank you, everyone.